Hello, it's James,
Hello, this is Ian.
and today Ian is going to do an unboxing of this. What do you have here, Ian?
I have the XK A120 Airbus A380 jet plane.
Okay, Ian got this for Christmas. Now, I'm going to step behind the camera while Ian does his unboxing.
This RC plane is a prop jet type plane, by the way.
It has twin pusher motors on it, I believe.
Yes, I saw it'd be on the back of the wings. Here's the instruction manual from the box. Here's the wing. Here's the wing. And like those pusher props on the back of the wing.
Mm-hmm.
And then I see this like servo lead looking thing sticking out. Here is the fuselage. And there's a servo here for the elevator, I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Does it have a rudder or just ailerons?
I see that there is no rudder. So it's got the elevator and throttle.
Oh, differential thrust
Oh, yes, for the, I guess,
for turning.
that's right, for the,
Differential thrust for turning.
that's correct. And I see this plug would go into this lead on the wing. Transmitter as well. That says XK on here. Yep, here's the transmitter. See, we've got throttle. Got the elevator movement type thing. And also the horizontal movement to represent ailerons or rudder.
So turning is on the right stick.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Just like on any of our normal RCs. And this box is the flight battery charger and the actual flight battery it comes with. And here's a bag of the landing gear and the spare propellers and the screws used for, I guess, putting on the landing gear to the airframe. And that is everything for what comes in from the package. Here's the XK A120 Airbus A380 already assembled and basically in its rate of flight state now. Here's how the controls work. Of course, the up elevator, down elevator, and then we also got throttle.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I also saw in the manual that there's a special rudder button, which is one of these from what the manual says.
Mm-hmm. Now what does it do?
So far, like I was able to turn these motors from the direction joystick without throttling up. But let me see though about the rudder mode thing. Oh well, same thing there.
The button doesn't do anything.
Alright. Right steer. Left steer.
Yeah.
This airplane has gyros in it. I see that the elevator is up right now.
Yeah. Moves around. Okay.
And it moves around.
So it should be a stable flyer.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll get a flight video soon.